in the middle of the night, one night, we heard a kaboom, and we knew it was probably a tree branch or a tree. And we're kind of worried about that because we live in the woods. And sure enough, there were a lot of trees that had, come down, little ones and lots of limbs. And then we started noticing dripping in our dining room, and that was very uncomfortable. Immediately, I just went and I called Guardian first because of great reviews. And I got the nicest person on the phone. I'm so sorry, I can't remember her name. I think it was Lisa, but she was wonderful, and she wanted to make sure we got help right away because it was water leaking from the roof. And then the tech came out, and he was just so efficient and so proficient and kind and did the job. He went up on the roof, took photos of everything. There were a few other little things that needed attending, and we were like, you're up there, just do it. And he did. He was great. And I said, I will use you again. And I've actually hired them again. They'll be coming in about a month to do a full service on my roof. So yeah, I would go back, and I'm telling you, I would highly recommend them to all of my family and friends.